equation to success is very different from what we know about success. For many people, our standard for success is riches, fame, intelligence, credentials. That is what we are building on most of the time. But God's standard to true success is very different from what we know. And He doesn't want us to grope in the dark. He gives us a map. He gives us a model. He gives us an example. Saint Augustine said, "Do you wish to rise? Begin by descending." Very ironic, right? Do you wish to rise? Gusto mo bang tumaas? Ikaw ay magpakababa. You plan a tower that will pierce the clouds. Lay first the foundation of humility.